Let's learn about adjectives or describing words. To know what are describing words. Tell me, what is this? Yes, apple. What is the color of apple? Yes, red apple. The word red describes the noun apple, which is a thing. Soft cake. The word soft describes the noun cake. Big tree. The word big describes the noun tree. Happy girl. The word happy describes the noun girl, which is a person. Small house. The word small describes the noun house, which is a place. Green parrot. The word green describes the color of the noun parrot, which is an animal. Here the words red, green, small, and happy are describing the nouns apple, parrot, house, and girl. So, these words are called as describing words or adjectives. Adjectives are words which describe about the nouns, such as quality, size, color, and shape. Adjectives can also tell us about someone's opinion about a noun or describing about someone's feeling. Adjectives that also talk about how someone or something, such as looks, smells, sounds, and tastes. Adjectives also tell us about the number of a noun. For example, 2 ice creams. 2 tells us about the number of ice creams. Fragrant jasmine. The word fragrant describes the smell of the noun jasmine. Thundering clouds. The word thundering describes the sound of the noun clouds. Soft doll. The word soft describes the feels of the noun doll. Red rose. The word red describes the color of the noun rose. Big car. The word big describes the size of the noun car. Round ball. The word round describes the shape of the noun ball. Angry girl. The word angry describes the fields of the noun girl. Clever girl. The word clever describes the quality of the noun girl. Read the words given below. Choose a describing word for each one and fill in the blank. Candies. How are the candies? Yes, sweet. How is the whale? Yes, big. How is the snake? Yes, long. How is the pillow? Yes, it's soft. How is the drum? It is loud. Brick. It's hard. How are the popcorn? Yes, it's salty. How is the knife? Yes, it's sharp. Thank you for watching.